We stand behind our neurogenetics research department in their stem cell research.
I want to harm you. I believe that someone's after me, and I need your protection.
Why don't you ask Dr. Quest how she feels about playing God?
Circumstantial evidence, she's a bitch. She likes all the attention to be on herself.
She's very intense. I can see how that might rub some people the wrong way.
Judgment Day is coming, Dr. Quest.
You know, the lab could explode. I could die. Who cares if I live or die? Let's be realistic. Who really cares if I live or die? But I want my life back. Silence is deafening sometimes.
Perceptions.